Here's a rebound, they score. Sautner, the defenseman, and that breaks up the shutout streak of Spencer Martin. They'll try and get it going the other way. Wolves have given up the opening goal now in 4 of the last 5 games. And Manitoba has a 3-on-1 on the counterattack. Broken up, backdoor, they score. A little give and go, and Fabian Wagner has goals in 4 straight games, and the Moose take a 2-0 lead. Swaney feeds the point. Ryan over to Hamo Salome. They'll work it back deep. Out in front, Suzuki. Save. Rebound, they score! Loose change, and Ryan Suzuki able to tuck it home, and the Wolves within 1. And now Philp turned it over. Slavin walks in, fires a shot. Steven Chetchins picked it up, and then here's Seeley. He scores! Ronan Seeley has tied the hockey game as Josiah Slavin stripped it away from his former teammate Isaac Phillips. Right now it's turned over. Pensori in shorthanded. Pensori cuts, shoots. He scores! Number 2 has 3 shorthanded goals, and the Wolves lead 3-2. Off the draw, Ronan Seeley will get to it. Riley Stillman moved it up the rail. Coughlin keeps it in. Wrister broken up out in front. The Wolves again. Wagner trying to split the defense. He's in alone. Shoots. He scores! Austin Wagner, red hot, goals in 3 straight games. Out of the box, it'll be Carson Golder. He was serving the extra penalty, and he's on the ice to escape 5 aside. Wolves 0 for 4 on the Republic Bank power play, and the Moose have a man up ice. Lambert, he'll quickly hand it off and break it in. Wagner shoots, he scores. Fabian Wagner has made it a 1-goal game.